Dare to Dreamy, Canon RF100mm F2.8 L macros bokeh, ring changes everything. Ever felt like your macro shots are teasing you with blurry edges and shaky hands, leaving you frustrated in the field while that perfect flower petal waits? It's like your lens is playing hard to get, blocking the intimate details you crave. If you're tired of settling for good enough close-ups, this might hit home. Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Drop an idea if this sounds familiar. Comment your biggest macro mishap below. Picture this: deadlines looming like storm clouds, stress knotting your shoulders as burnout creeps in from endless tripod tweaks and missed focus pulls that ruin your flow. You're pouring passion into portraits or product shots, but the gear fights back with wobbles and noise. Imagine if there was a way to take control without adding more chaos. If you're struggling with handheld macro headaches, this could change your game entirely. Enter the Canon RF100mm F2.8 L macro ISUSM, the breakthrough medium telephoto macro lens that's like a whisper in your ear, urging you to get closer without fear. Feel the thrill as its 1.4 times life-size magnification pulls you into worlds unseen. The velvet texture of a dewdrop on a leaf, the electric pulse of an insect's wing, all captured with heart-stopping clarity. This L-series gem boasts hybrid optical image stabilization up to 5 stops, or 8 with IBS, letting you ditch the tripod for fluid, handheld magic that feels liberating, like dancing with your subject instead of wrestling it. The dual Nano USM autofocus glides silently, smooth as a sigh, perfect for those nail-biting video close-ups. And oh, the Spherical Aberration control ring? It's your secret wand for tweaking bokeh from crisp to dreamy on the fly. Here's one way the Canon RF100mm F2.8 L macro saved the day for a busy professional. A wildlife shooter nailed a bee's pollen-dusted legs mid-flight, handheld in dappled forest light, turning a frantic hike into portfolio gold. Sensory bliss, sharp edges that bite with detail, colors that hum with life. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end that makes your portraits pop like never before. If you're itching for that edge, comment yes to unlock the secret tip inside. Now, imagine efficiency wrapping around you like a warm embrace. Your focus laser sharp as the Canon RF100mm F2.8 L macro ISUSM boosts performance to pro levels. Crisp portraits that isolate eyes with ethereal glow, macro details so vivid they tingle on the tongue like forbidden fruit. No more "it's sharp enough" excuses. This lens delivers corner-to-corner excellence at f2.8, with weather-sealed L-series toughness that laughs off rain-slicked adventures. See why thousands can't stop talking about this bokeh shaping revolutionary? One expert analyst raved, "The SA control ring is a genuine innovation, offering creative bokeh previously only in post. It's the most versatile 100mm macro ever." Influencer Sarah Lenscraft shared, "I softened a model's background to dreamy haze mid-shoot. The sharpness on her smile was breathtaking, handheld at 1:1. No tripod tyranny." A real estate pro user gushed, "Product shots transformed. The 1.4 times magnification captures textures that sell homes faster, and IS lets me work solo without blur." Even skeptics whisper, "Too pricey?" Nah. The hybrid IS alone pays for itself and saved time. Rhetorically speaking, wouldn't you kill for bokeh that bends to your mood, like silk turning to velvet with a twist? Blends of neutral richness and adjustable softness evoke that intuitive pull. The lens senses your vision, amplifying it. Which feature would save your day? Comment below and let's geek out. One pro said, "I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow." Feel the hype building? Limited stock alert. This Canon RF100mm F2.8 L macro ISUSM is flying off shelves as thousands level up their macro mastery and portrait prowess daily. Join the chorus of raving users and influencers who've ditched blurry regrets for detail-drenched triumphs. Don't wait. Secure yours today and see the difference in your next close-up that stops scrolls cold. Click now and unlock a secret feature tweak that makes everything easier, like bokeh whispering your name. If you're struggling with macro frustration, this may change your game. Comment magic for that bonus bokeh tip. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your close-up world today.